So without wasting time, let's directly get to the point that how you can delete someone else's TikTok video. So for that purpose, you have to first of all go to that video that you want to delete, and after that you have to tap on this share button available under the save button on that video. And after that, the very first option in this list is report. So you got to tap on report, and this is the right way to report a TikTok video for banning it, so do not miss the procedure. Now you have to choose a reason from this list for making this video deleted. Now first of all, you need to remember that you may need to report this video from more than one TikTok accounts. Now whatever reason you choose from this account, you just need to choose exactly that reason from all the accounts that you will use to report this video. For example, I go with the very first option, I don't like it, and submit this report by tapping on the submit button. Now when I will report this video from my other TikTok account, then I will need to choose the same first option for deleting this TikTok video. This was the first thing. Now, how many reports will be required to delete a TikTok video? For that purpose, I need to go to Google, and if I search here, how many reports are required to delete a TikTok video? And Google says there is no specific number of reports required to delete a TikTok video. A video is removed based on confirmed violation of community guidelines rather than the volume of reports. This means that if this video has not violated any rule of TikTok, then even multiple reports may fail to delete this video, but still I will recommend you to report this video from at least 4 to 5 TikTok accounts. And read next. It says even a single report can trigger a review and removal if this content violates policy. This means that if this video is involved in any illegal issue, for example, it used your video without your permission or anything which is mentioned in this list, then even a single report will remove this video from TikTok. So do tell me in the comments that from how many TikTok accounts you reported this video and it got deleted, so it may be a big help for the others. Thank you so much.